As promised, here's the second recipe that I made for our late night dinner that I shared in my previous vlog. As my son is forming the meatballs for our first recipe, let me show you the ingredients for the twice-baked potato casserole. The main ingredients are potatoes, onion, cheese, and sour cream. First step is washing the potatoes thoroughly and drying them. Put in a baking pan and bake until cooked. I'm just washing the potatoes and drying with a dry towel, with a paper towel. I'm setting the oven at 425. And cooking time should be an hour. Habang hintay ng pagluto ng potatoes, I will cut the onions to fine size. Okay, so luto na yung potatoes. I will just let them cool and then babalatan ko and i-grate ko before mixing them with the other ingredients and grate them. So I'm just using my hands to peel the potatoes. They're actually easy to peel. Wala na yung balat sa sa laman ng potatoes. So madali naman. Grating. Trabaho ito eh. Ito pero masarap ito. Matrabaho lang. So I'm done grating the baked potatoes. And here are the other ingredients that I'll mix with this. So the minced onion, salt, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of pepper. I don't have the regular pepper, so I'm just using the lemon pepper. And then supposedly there's 1/4 cup chopped dill and 1/4 cup chopped parsley. But I don't have those, so I'm just using this Marjolaine, dried Marjolaine. I don't know if I'm sure it will taste good as well. And then later on, so I'll mix the spices first, the salt and the spices first, and then later on I'll mix with the cheese and the sour cream. So I have put the onions, the Marjolaine, lemon pepper, the salt, but I think I will add some more. So I'm putting all the onions now. I'm putting in the cheese. We have put the sour cream, some are still there. And then I'll just mix them. Okay, so I just mixed it gently with 2 forks. And then I'm ready to transfer them here. The mixture here in the pan. And then I'll bake for 30 minutes. 425 degrees. It's now in the pan and ready for baking. So I added some more grated cheese on top. Kasi gusto ng anak ko ay cheesy talaga. Mahilig siya sa cheese. So let's see. Okay, so it's inside the stove, the oven. So I'm cooking it for 30 minutes at 425 degrees. Let's taste it. Sarap. This is around 9:30 in the evening already. A really late dinner. Yes, everything from scratch. We were so hungry and tired, but we still enjoy the fruits of our labor. Salamat nga pala, hindi na ako nakapagpasalamat kagabi kasi gabi na, inantok na at pagod na, late na yung dinner namin. So maraming salamat sa pagsama sa amin sa vlog kagabi at sana ay may natutunan kayo. Ito po si Marita. Let's meet again in the next vlog.